Good medical morning. This is Adam, your host, and today we've got some great topics, including blackheads, whiteheads, and cystic acne. But before we get started, let's take a look at this mystery diagnosis. At the end of the video, we'll give you a little more information, but leave your comments below if you think you know what it is. So did you know that over 60 million Americans suffer from acne? 20% of those individuals have acne bad enough to leave permanent scars on their skin. And for some reason, acne is affecting adults more and more often over the past decade. And according to acneease.com, 14% of acne sufferers have considered suicide as a result of their skin condition. 99% of acne sufferers will have acne on their face. 60% will have it on their back and lower back. Furthermore, Americans will spend about $3 billion this year trying to treat their acne. Remember this image? Well, the dermatologist who presented it said it was an individual who was 50 years old with hepatitis and diabetes.
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.